Hey, welcome to Get Sharp. I'm Corey. We've got some super exciting stuff happening here at Get Sharp. I'm so happy with our progress. BuckTool noticed us and they sent us a couple of machines for free to take a deeper look at. Let's go ahead and get started. In this video, I'm excited. We're unboxing the new BuckTool variable 2x42 belt grinder. I've been waiting for this for a minute. Let's get inside this box. Oh, I ripped the stickers. Oh, that's a bummer. Instructions. Teasing. We've got a box inside of a box. It's a common theme these days. Let me bring you in closer. All right, so we got the box in the box in the box. Oh, look at that. Comes right off the top. This is just protective. Box, another box inside the boxes. Another piece of protective cardboard. And there she is. Variable speed. That is why we bought her. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can lift it up here, put it on the bench behind me, get the box out of the way, and then put it right back in front of you guys. Best way to lift it, just like this, I think. Yeah, they did a great job on protecting this thing. Got cardboard everywhere. Got a puncture here. Wonder what that was. Oh, that's probably the stand for the belt arm. We'll have to check the bottom of that, make sure it's not damaged. But you can see these puncture holes in the cardboard. So, you know, our guys that are moving these boxes around, they get a little rough sometimes. Here we are. Get our dust protection off. Oh, yeah. So this thing was, I think it was actually cheaper than my Viver 1x30. Yeah, that arm there's definitely what poked through. Luckily, looks like it's in good shape. It might be. Oh, I thought it was bent a little bit, but it was just that footing. There we go. There she is. Let me make sure you guys are getting a good shot of this. Make sure it's in focus. Okay. Go ahead and slide her over there and we'll go see what's in the rest of these boxes. Always love popping those. Yeah, okay, so this is our tool rest. Two more Allen wrenches to throw into the collection. Can never have too many of those. Actually, you know what? These two might have just made too many now that I think about it. So let's see. Boy, BucktTool. If you watched yesterday's video, I unboxed the belt grinder, the bench grinder, 1 horsepower bench grinder. This is a half a horse, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's half a horse. The lowest speed on this is 1200 RPM. Little faster than I want, but nonetheless, it was time to look at a 2x42, and for 250 bucks, I really couldn't say no. Looks like we've got a graphite platen on there. That's awesome. Well, I'm gonna take a quick peek at the instructions and power this bad boy on. Okay. Very, very detailed instructions. That's my belt adjuster right there. All right, we're just gonna dive into this thing. It's kind of how I roll. Okay, right off rip, I've already rubbed the wall a little bit. Nice. Look at that. Okay. Let's see, this thing does a couple other things too. I know it'll stand upright. And if I actually read the instructions, I'll probably figure that part out more quickly. But that's no fun. I like puzzles. Let's see. This is probably to keep the guard on. This is probably to keep the guard on. Do you just lift it? No. That's our belt tensioner. How the heck do you... upright, my friend? Oh, look at the feet. Nice. It's got a cool little table it stands on, and they put in leveling feet. So my two front feet are actually not touching. But quick little. Oh, that one's really stuck on there good. I might have to work on that one later. Or no, that one's not supposed to move. So that means I've got my front microphone's stuck to it. I need to raise up the front a little bit, raise this one up, and it'll sit more level. Well, guys, someone tell me how to raise this arm up real quick, please. I swear that this thing does it. I gotta loosen this guy up. Well, luckily, I'm probably gonna be running this laying down, I think. Space permitted. There you go. Pop that guy right up like that. That'll make it easier to access the front support foot. There we go. All feet nice and snug. Boom. All right. Next big question. How do you get the belt off of this guy? Assuming you pop this guy off. I suppose this is good for dust collection, but I don't know if I'll be keeping this guy around. Push down. That slid right off. Well, we got a little, I guess this thing probably assists with belt tracking. Okay, which direction we running here? That way. So for an edge leading setup, I'm gonna slide that on there like so. Awesome. Well, what do we do next? What can we do? I guess we could put some metal on it and see what happens. Let's try that. All right. I want to do a big knife. Give myself a little protection here. We're just going to go ahead and do edge trailing. Okay. Call me. All right. I'm clearly not a by hand sharpener. Ooh, but I could just lay this guy down flat and clean this up really quick and easy and then go hit the airways after the fact. Maybe. This was 120 grit. That's a little... There we go. That's the tool rest. Got it in there pretty tight. It's a little tricky to get started because you don't have a lot of room to get it going. But once you get it going, get a couple threads in there, you can start using that little lever thing the way it's supposed to go. Don't know that this is going to have a lot of utility for knife sharpeners. Yeah, your bolsters are going to get in the way, but who knows? Maybe we'll find a way to modify this eventually. Got this big long arm. That's nice. And then this was cut out. We'd be ready to rock and roll. Well, so far so good. I'm liking this thing. I'm happy. I need to start thinning some steel and start getting used to it. Very nice. BucktTool did a good job on this. And at that price, my goodness. Like I said, this thing is the same price as the little Weaver 1x30. And boom, 200, 225, whatever it was, you got yourself a 2x42. I'm curious what this carbon brush maintenance is. I don't know anything about motors, but I'm assuming it's got something to do with that, and I'm not about to try it. Not when it's brand new and I don't know what the heck it does. Well, guess it's time to jump on Amazon or wherever and start looking for a couple ceramic belts. Yeah, I'm pumped. It only came with the one belt. I think the Weaver came with 3. Man, it's actually pretty chilly in the garage. I don't know if I'm going to be sleeping in here just because of that. But tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and I'm definitely going to be staying up late to play with these and start putting together ideas for the future because I'm going to be building out a step-by-step station so I can get through knives quicker. I'm currently the world's slowest sharpener, if you didn't know, and we need to change that. So one of my game plans, something like this, with something like this, and then we can do something like that. Not only right there, but on this as well. And we just have stations to go through. So I'm going to start kind of building the footprint for what this is going to look like. And right now I'm thankful for all of your guys' support. We've got big companies like BuckTool looking at us now. Like, how wild is that? You know, we started this back in July and it's been a lot of hard work, but I'm super thankful and I'm having a blast. I'll see you on the next one.